up guys? So right now is we are here in the highway, and right now this is the way that we're going to starting off our driving to going to Davao. So right now it's a pretty very good weather right now, and it seems this is the best day ever. That that is the great timing that I'm going to right now. So yeah, hopefully enjoy our vlog right now and have a good day. There. Bye. Ingat pa. Asang airplane. Ayan, oh. Wala. Wow. Traffic eh. So traffic guys. Yeah, we are here on Magsaysay. Magsaysay. We are here on Magsaysay Park. Camera. Whee! Yeah guys, good morning. Luis Vlogging is going to vlog again, and right now as you can see we are in the highway, and this is the Davao City, heart of the Carayawan, and also we are here in Magsaysay Park. So we're going to check it out what is inside. So yeah, let's go. There. Ah, entrance this way. Salamat sir ah. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back. And so right now we're going to, and by the way I already inside in the Carayawan. So let's going here in this house one by one, and let's going take a just tour. I give you a tour guys. So yeah, so stand by. So okay, we are here already. Carayawan sa Davao 2024. There. So right now 11:37 are there are more a lot of people here. Bago Bo Klata. Mali Tutaka. There. Wow. Bago Bo Klata.
Pila kinito?
Yeah. The favorite food. There. The best of the Davao. Durian. It's so very spike, guys. It's really hurts. Ouch. There. So let's take inside the the durian of Davao. Sisunod na natin. Agoy, tuwara. Sarap. Oh. Yun. Yun. Special food. Malito tatak. Yes. Ubang makuan eh. Oops. Wow. So this is the Malito tatak. Bago Bo Klata. This is the tribe of heritage. Looks like. Yeah. That is made from nipa, dry leaves from coconut. That's and there we and also they have some woods on it for double protecting the in case of raining. So this is the part of the culture of the Bago Klata. So this is the you can put your foot here, and that is looks like over here. There. It's so very scary in the first place, but if you try this many times, it's very nice also. And this is also a part for separating the grains of the rice. So that is the very useful. And also they have a mini bag there. Very nice. And that is the weapon over here. There are crossbow, and also there have a drum. So yeah. They have a big chest there for personal belongings. You can put it on. That is the tribe using at the many decades. And also this is the for catching a fish. Is the very alternative, very useful also. Just for resources. Okay, let's go down. Oh my god. There. try. Thank you, thank you. From Bagobo, Plata. Thank you for visiting your house tribe. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's go to the another house. And also, when you go here outside, do you have also a cafeteria or just like a uh, full of foods over here? You can buy some foods. Pretty a lot of stuff here. So yeah, and we are already here on Mo Upianpog Loya Mahalihog. Ata tribe, yes. This is the Ata tribe. So let's go in. So there. Wow. Lote, record lang ko. So this is the Ata tribe. That is the for part of the culture for just for fashioning there. So very colorful, guys. It's so very nice to have this. There. There. Dorian, so very nice. Very creative, all of the tribe. Very nice. That is the culture of wearing some fashion related on the tribes. This is the male outfit over here, and this is also the female right there. Moopia, Moopia, Flog, Gooy, Mahaliyog, Moopia. Yun. Let's go inside. Oh my God. There. So we are already here. So this is the picture of the heritage there. The city government of Davao present that this token appreciation of the celebration of the 38th Kadayawan Festival. So this is the that is the already past Kadayawan event. So he is already get a token. So I think that is the first place also. There. Very colorful, guys. And also here we have a dining room, a dining area to relax and breathe the open air. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Little difficult to going upside. I going up your right. So by the way, we are here. There, Philippine Women's College of Davao, Ata Tribe. Certificate of Recognition. There. There are also, I don't know what is this. This is the machine that grilling your like maize. You can also to grind this, then you can rotate. So that is the process this machine from Ata tribe. Also, there have some weapons. There are crossbow also here, and there have some also a little house. So cute. So there, very colorful. So that is the wearing for the child of Ata tribe. That is for the child. You can wear it this only for child around 8 years old maybe. There they have some too many things that already using every day, and they're also very colorful. So it's so nice at all here, guys. It's so very nice, guys. Here, guys. I'm going to 360 here. This is the background looks like there. So that's all of it. Okay, let's go down. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Ata tribe. Thank you, Ata tribe, for visiting your house. Part of the culture. Thank you. Yeah. There's even more, guys. We can visit here one by one. All of this. And another one here. So we can fold that. I hope so. Okay, let's go to the next tribe. All right, so we are going to in Obomanovo, Mopia no Pod Inguma. So that is the what is that type of tribe? Obomanovo. Yeah, Obomanovo, Manovo. Okay. So this is the foods. Saging, very yummy. There, you can play. This is the part of the instrument. It looks like a metal, but it's like there. I'm going to play this. So there. It's so nice. That is the part of the instrument. Every tradition. Here, they're also part of very nice, out, outstanding resources. Very good at all things. There. Abo Manobo tribe. So I cannot go in because there's so many people. So yeah. So maybe next month, I guess. So yeah. So thank you, Manobo. Thank you very much. Aton ta si Yoro diri ay. I hope Yoro will be visit here in Magsaysay. I can see Yoro here. Yoro. Okay, so we are already here on Matigsalog. Ni Opia ni Piglipio. Piglipio. Yun. Maopia in the other type, but here is Miopia from Matigsalog tribe. Matigsalog. Sunod ko, Col. Kira? Yun. So, we are going inside. Wow. Matigsalog. This is the part of the tribe of Matigsalog from dapitan ni Matigsalog, Col? Marilog? Ah, yun. So, from Marilog. Another outstanding design. Very good. Yeah. So, okay. There. Oops. Okay, let's go inside. Ayo. Pwede mo sulod? Pwede mo sulod? Take lang video lang, kaday lang. Sorry kayo ha. So there, that is the Matigsalog tribe. So, yan. Same also, there are so many kinds of traditional things that already everyday using for hunting, food, something like that. So it's so very useful. Okay, let's go outside. Thank you, Col. Sige, sige, sige. Huh. Oh, ito yung kwarta. O patay sticker ani. Patay budget. Anya na, makapasar ko. Apa ko yung requirements sa YouTube. Dagan pag watch hours. Mapay requirements. Pa, sunod pa. Oh, orag yapon. Salamat. Yan. Matigsalog tribe, thank you very much for visiting your house. And I'm so very happy. And very nice also. Very good. Okay, thank you. Let's go out now. Kadayawan, mga tuta sa kadayawan, daghan og pagkaon, perting lami. Oh my God, what the fuck? You're so very beautiful. Shit. Bagokbo Tagabawa, Marigar Padonggo. So that is that tribe of Bagokbo tribe. So let's going inside. There. Very nice. Wow. Bagokbo Tagabawa. Very good. Very nice, very nice. So let's go way inside. Bagokbo Tagabawa tribe. We're going inside. Heyo. Wow. So yeah.
This is VP Sara, our Vice President of RSM, to be our President next. Ano po, alam ko, mission.
Yun. So that is the full of sorry. That is the full of video. Not video. That is the full all of the Tagabawat attire. Yeah. That is the male attire. Gaman sa Bagokbo and Gabayin is woman. So that is a looks like attire of Bagokbo. So that is the example of woman of Bagokbo. Yeah. And also here, our VP Sir Duterte. Sir, salute. Madam, salute, salute. Marigara Padunggo. Right. Let's go inside. Oops. Wow. So there is the full attire of man and woman. Yeah. Very nice. That is the drum that you can using for any kinds of instrument for like ritual. So that's a very use at all. And also this, that is the full of instruments. Even right now, that is the very useful for every decades. Every child will be learn all of this as soon as possible. So that's why the tribe is always alive. So they are not going to forget that. That is the part of the history of Davao Inyo. So yeah,
Ay, Facebook, yan yung Facebook. Ito po si Aki.
there. Full attire. Yeah, okay na ma'am, okay na, okay na ma'am. Yeah. So yun, Bagokbo Tagabawa, thank you very much. Bagokbo Tagabawa, thank you for visiting your house. That is a piece of history that I already know. Thank you, thank you. So let's go another. Whew. Kada, kapoy. Okay, let's go in the next tribe house. Standby. Kadayawan, Bantawan, Cultural Celebration. Alright, we're going here. What is the first we're going to visit? This is Bangsa Sama, Palanjal Kang Paitul Lama Sama. There. So there's the most heritage boat that is currently used for hunting from fish. So that is a very useful kind of transportation also, or that is the used for tradition or spiritual sama. Mag-attendance call? Okay, sige. So right now, we're going to take attendance for the next mm, sabi na po sa ayuda.
Para mag-ayuda karon kang
Ay, wala na yung sa ayuda na ay. Sa address. Okay. Kilometer 28 Pantukan. Uno Panabo City.
nakaptol lang. City.
Perting layo ah. At least maka ay la mali. La mali ang okay ra.
Sige lang.
Ikaw na.
Para na sulat na.
Ibutan lang ko araw ha.
Di man na nila i-detalye ba? Ikaw man yata may sa tourism. Di man na nila i-detalyehan.
Sige. Butan na og araw lang para ma-identify. Salamat kay Ikaw ha. Pili na mo sulod. Okay, sige. Okay, let's going inside. So one of the guard here granted to visit here and let's watch inside or let's go inside. Wow. Smells like a paint, but it's so very beautiful. Ayo. Ala, sorry. Ugaw. Tanggalo no? Okay. Okay, I'm going to take off the shoes. Alright. This is the traditional clothes for Mhm. Okay rate. Abi na ko kuan. Nabisi. Okay lang. Ah, di man po ni live. Di ko record lang. Ayan. So this is the all over the instrument, sorry. Sorry for the English. I'm almost broke na. So I'm going to test this. Oh, let's see. There. Oh my god. Okay. Enough na, enough. There. So that is the part of instruments that yeah. And that is the going to spiritual, no? For any kind of celebration. So that's a very useful. So and also there have some outfit that is useful any kind of tradition also. So yeah. There. So yeah. So that is the part of the culture is kasi tawag ni Direte. Kanang kung mag sa set up na nga culture. Ay para ni murag tanaw nako sa kasal no. Or
Kung sa amo ako, kani siya. Room ni siya.
room ay kwarto. Okay.
Kwarto ni siya.
Okay. Okay.
Kaniyang higdaanan.
So di
Ang kusina.
bali hole in one na. So open area yun. So this is the open area in one area. Sala, living room, and also the bedroom is over here. That is very useful also for any kind of relaxing, you know. So yeah, thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Sige. Okay. Oh my God, sorry. Allah. Okay, let's go to another. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's go downstairs and relax. Thank you very much, Bongsa Sama, for visiting your house and also visit to your traditional. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Maranao. There. Maranao tribe. So this is the very big house that built from Maranao tribe. So very nice, very comfortable, and very beautiful also. So in the below we have some small cafeteria and with also decoration of any kind of things you can buy here. Okay, let's go further. Hello, ma'am. Take lang video, okay ra? Okay. So this is the Maranao. Uh, any kind of things like bags, and also there have some uh, towel, I guess, or what is this? Just like a for ready for bed, something like that. There, but the bag is so very nice also, perfect for outing. So that is the very need use for all the things you can put there. Yeah, it's very useful. And also we don't have forget with using a t-shirt or something like that there. Oh, I like this. Oh, nindot, eh? Okay, maybe later na. Nice, yeah. I like this. Pero na, later na. We don't have any budget. Batik Sumi from Indonesia. Yan. So, same also in Indonesia. That is the same cultures of any tribe there. Very beautiful, guys. I like it. Thank you, Dam. Okay, let's go inside of the house. Let's go from Maranao tribe. Ay, hello. In Tindans.
Tenda. Para sa school.
Abi na, ayuda. Ano yung usong ayuda tan na? Ay, mali. Wait, please. Store. Address. Ano? Ayete. There. Okay, let's go inside of Maranao or Torogan the Maranao Royal House. Ah, so this is the Royal House. Okay, very big Royal House. So there is it. Wow. So this is the Maranao's Royal House. So very good, guys. Very nice. Mayor Baste Duterte, our next of President of the Philippines. There. There's my uncle. Where's my lolo Duterte? Anyways, there. They have some decoration for part of the culture. And also this very big ship. Only the what is I don't think so. That is the decades or so many years. That is the use for any kind of threat, something like that, or something going to explore. There also have a cannonball there or canyon. So nice. Mabuhay, Sanggibo, Salamat, Gabor, Randy, Usman. Yeah. And there have so many kind of uh, knife that's used for any kind of threat. And there also have a samurai version on Maranao. So it's so nice. There. Saras Duterte Carpio, Vice President, Republic of the Philippines. Yeah. Bulos Kano, Kadayawan Festival 2024. So that is the things of related on just for related on the culture of it. And also they have a beauty pride of Maranao tribe. So this is the all currently winning on Hias Beauties. So this is the history, all of it. Yeah, very beautiful. Grabe, ganda. Super ganda. Yeah. Oh, they have also upstairs. So let's go. All right. So this is the living room. Looks like. Oh my god. It's so freaking hot, but it's all right. Just for the content. So this is the bedroom. Looks like. Yeah. A master's bedroom. Full of decoration. And yeah, that's all of it. They have a table and also the banco or bangko or seats, something like that. So yeah, let's go back. Thank you again, Maranao Tribe. Thank you for visiting your beautiful royal house. Yeah. Bangsa Marano. Marano having their traditional territory in the area surrounding Lake Lanao means people of the lake or lake dwellers. They inhabited the lake area, especially the located of the north central Mindanao. Approximately 135 square meter miles in area and situated 2,300 feet above the sea level. Wow, that is the very high, and most of it I cannot take to read longer. So just for the pictures over here, there, that is the actual picture of the Torogan Maranao house. Yeah. Okay, so let's go another. We live cold air. Salamat eh. Sige. Okay, let's go out now and let's find another house to drive. Thank you again, Maranao. Thank you, Maranao, for visiting your house. Thank you, thank you. This is the Bangsa Kagan, Panaus Kamu. So let's go and take inside. Pandaus Kamu. Tugan Kagan's Royal House. So this is also a royal house. And let's go inside. So thank you. They're all open. So this is the open area for new visitors here. There, I'm going to take 60 again. 360 degrees. Yeah. There have a big bell here for giving some or starting tradition, I guess. Starting the ritual. Let's go here. Wow. Ay, sorry. Okay na? Sige. So this is take take off shoes. Yeah, my God. Okay. All right. So this is the outfit. Very cultural. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the things that we can they can use for in many decades. And I already noticed this. This is a fork or just like a serving spoon for any kind of foods. This is the way back in then without any metals. And this is the very useful too because you can use anything on it. And also we have some, I don't know, too many things here. Okay. And this is also a bed for Kagan. Right? Okay. Salamat. Okay. So let's go. Wait. Okay. Yeah, let's go.
I'm hungry.
Bangsa Kagan, thank you very much for visiting your house. Thank you again. Kagan Surreal House, thank you very much for visiting your house. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's move to another house or house tribe. We are going to enter Bangsa Iranon. So there, Bangsa Iranon. So this is the all of the things or that is nothing. So this is food you can buy of native coffee. And also there have some bakes. There are so many kind of pandesal or bakes over here. It looks yummy. So there, another beautiful bags over here. Great, super creativable, creativable. Very good. Taros Kano, Inguma Kano, Bangsa Iranan Turugan. Yun. Is the shirts for related to Iragunan. Inguma Kano, Ironan Turugan. So yeah, I'm just characterize. Sorry. Ayo. Pili mo agi? Ay, pili mo sulod? Pili? Okay. So this is the living room here. Super colorful. This is the open area to all the visitors here. Relax. There. Oh, sorry. So this is the front, guys. This is the front. Yeah. Kirim mo sunod icon. Salamat kaya. So there. So this is the part of the instruments, sword, and also they have so many kind of things every day. Bangsa Iranon. Yeah. And also we have also here drum. That is the drum. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ay, sunod diri. Something's busy, but so this is the outfit. Ano yan? So that is the wrong. Yeah. Okay, so let's go. Let's go to another house. Yeah, let's go. Bangsa Iranon, thank you very much for visit your house. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Bangsa. Taros Cano. Thank you, thank you. So let's go to another house which makes more a lot of loudness here. Attendance. May attendance te? Wala na? Okay. Let's go inside. Kutiapi. This is the just a simple but just like a guitar, something like that. That is too many decades. Even there are two strings over here, and you can play here. So that is the two strings will be played together and mix a sounds. So that's why it's very more more beautiful voice or sound, something like that. Sundang, espada, bolo, badong. So that is the all of the knife that using for hunting any kind of foods that we're going to wild. This is the way to use that as well. Yes, sa Kadayawan. That is the outfit of the woman. There. Example, Sara Duterte. Talam. Talam. There. So this is a bait that already to relax here. That's the bedroom. And also they have some instruments that using for any kind of traditional or spiritual, something like that. Okay. Let's go. Oh, there is the Maguindanaon delicacies. There. Too many special foods from Maguindanaon. There. I don't know what is the name of each one of this, but it looks like very yummy. Panyalam. Coffee native. Very yummy. Right. Maguindanaon, thank you very much for visiting your house. Thank you, thank you. Maguindanaon, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much, Maguindanaon tribe. Alright, the last of the house here we're going to visit here is Lanja Kamu, Tausug tribe. Panglay. Lanchan Kamu. One. Ay, hindi pwede. Ay. Ah. Ah. So very nice.
Pwede lang kayo.
Nasaan mag-ilis na ba?
Okay. Para may experience ko sa tao.
Pwede magbaba?
Oo.
Nahinay lang. Gusto naman sa isip.
Mali ko lang yan, kuya.
Pero gusto ko bigyan. Babae.
Kung siya sick, di siya kayo ingat. Yan ah. Ngayon, di siya ingat pa. Open yan siya. Sekarang pa niya kung sasawot. Ilang kadayawan na to. Yung igor ako sa right eh. Pero kuwan wala yung na-outfit ka na.
Oo. Para may experience.
Salamat kaya yan. Pag-content na ko. Wala na siya lucky, no?
Ha?
Wala yung lucky.
Walang kwan, walang sabet. Yung
Meron ate. Andyan sa ano. Yan yung pamala.
This is the Tausok style. Try.
Gusto mo magkana niya sa mga mall na pag siya lang sa mga step.
Ito.
Paan?
Ibig mo na lang kayo.
Sige, ako na lang mag Parang hindi maliit siya.
Sige lang, yan mo lang. Hindi dito.
Ganyan. Parang ito yung
Nasaan sa natin?
Dito ka kuya, oh. Para maano ka ng...
Pwede yan?
Oo, yan ate yung ano niya.
Pwede itong blue. Kaya malaki na
Oo, pwede ate. Magpili ka na lang kung anong gusto mo.
Nasaan ka bere ni? Laka. Bere ka saan? Kabinayaran din. Inayaran ka. Yan, bagit sana. Bagit sana.
Ito tao eh. Nice guys siya yan.
Sana yun?
Here guys. That's the tribe of Taugane. Tausok. Oh my God. Okay.
Ah!
Gusto mo dun sa pinto? Gusto mo dito yan? Recorded na to? Naka-record na? Recorded na siya? Naka-record na siya?
Gotsa!
Ay, record mo. Naka-record na to? Diyan ka lang yan. Masisip ka yan. Tama. Ayan. Akin ka yan. Yan. Pwede ka mag-post yan. Pwede ka kunwari mag-ano kuya. Ayun oh, may ano doon. Yan. Tingin dito ya. Yung malaki meron sa likod. Yan. Okay na?
Salamat kayo ya.
Sige. Okay lang.
Utang ko kahat ani.
Pay later, pay in installments kahit walang credit card, Bilis yan. That's why I love Bilis. You can shop online, in-store everywhere, settle bills, get cash, pay later, everything. Download the Bilis app now, available on App Store and Google Play Store.
Ulit-ulit na hatching, sinuot ka mo, mag number 1 and most media prescribed Allerkid.
Sige ate, kayo kasi doon. Akyat ka te. Okay, sige. Para makita yung ano. Para makita yung sulat. Magsama ka ate. Pwede. Pwede kayo magsayaw dyan. Pwede nyo sumayaw. Sige ate, go. Paunahan. Sa una. Akyat dito sa una. Ayan. Sige, pwede kayo magsabay dalawa. Sige na. Okay lang man yun. Sige, sige. Akyat kayo dito sa unahan ha. Dito sa unahan. 1, 2, 3, go. Sa baba lang. Dito pa, akyat dito. Punta dito sa unahan. Yan. Tapos sa taas. Kamay nyo. Ikot. Tapos yung kabila kamay naman. Yan. Tapos ikot. Yan. Baba. 1, 2, 3. Baba. Yung kamay sa taas. Baba. Yan. Tapos kabila na naman. Yan. Tapos pwede kayong magharapan. Magharapan kayong dalawa. Yan. Harapan kayo. Magganyan-ganyan kayo. Parang nagliligawan ba? Oo. Yan. Magpapapicture kayo? Picture.
Okay lang ka lang. Para sabay may sa inyo ang sayaw.
Okay.
Okay lang. Basta pwede. Basta pwede sa video. Kailangan po.
Sa amin. Anong tausog kami?
Okay po. Silalay mo sila.
Maguindanao sila.
Okay, sorry.
Ito yung music ng tausog.
Okay, Ria po.
Pwede.
Join kami ng dance niya. Tapos mag-video. Educational purposes lang po sana.
Much better kung magdamit kayo.
Pwede po ba?
Oo. Samahan mo sila kuya ha. Para may lalaki
Okay lang
sila.
po. Tatlo kami.
Sige, okay lang.
Okay po. Pwede ito po?
This is the outfit of the Taoian tribe. Yeah. Okay, picture mo para nice.
Ano
dito dito.
Okay.
Siya man po yung
Ah, sige po.
Samahan ka ni Kuya para
Doon sa baba. Okay, sige, sige.
para may lalaki kayo.
Yes po.
Timingan jud ba? Ato na kanan.
HRM po. From UIC. And then, yeah. And then, ano po, project po namin ito. Na ganun ang cultural something. Kasi nagkakayawan po.
Adako kayo ni kuan points. Sobra kayo.
Ano man, exempted man sa exam. So, nagkamot me.
Wow, okay. Great timing, kay swerte ni sulot ko.
Lagi, nisulod.
Yeah, ato na tiwason. Ato na kanon. Guys, my God. Grabe. I'm so very enjoy guys the Lanjal Kamo Tausug tribe. Thank you very much. And also the visiting for the house. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. It will open my how to experience this kind of tribe that I already. So yeah, it's so very happy guys. I'm so very a lot of experience here, as you can see in the screen that already recorded is very nice. I like it at all. Grabe. So once again, Tausug tribe, thank you very much. A lot of experience and to your culture. Thank you. I'm so very happy. Especially the designer are so very friendly at all. Thank you, Tausug. Oh. So this is the already visit here every house here, and this is also the last house that already visiting. So yeah, a lot of experience and all of it all mixed up. Okay, let's go here in the center. Just a food cafeteria or just like this. There. Goldilocks. Alberto's. Let's yeah. Native coffee. Ata, with style. Yeah, that is a hole-in-one collection, all of it. All of it. Hello. Libre? Ay, ay. Abi na ako libre. Libre?
Free taste ni dire.
Kuhaan lang, house blend.
Para? Okay.
Di ba bugnaw? Yes, yes. Salamat, sir. Yes, sir. There. Daw. There. Oh, empanada. Huminga ko empanada. Kadayawan, kadayawan, kadayawan. Special food. Yeah. Onegaishimasu. Yeah. Yes. Yes. There are more a lot of enjoyable pananam sa Kadayawan, a food and products fair. Okay, once again, thank you very much for all the tribes are still participating. Any kind of tribe house that already visit. Thank you. I appreciated very thankfulness. I'm so very happy and very thankfulness this kind of whole of the event this Kadayawan. So yeah, it's a very beautiful at all, and also very happy also. Yeah, always be happy. And yeah, I think that is our going to end this vlog. I can't take it anymore because it's so freaking hot, and yeah, a lot of hot at all, but it's all right. It relieves because I already experienced the whole of the tribe and all kinds of cultures that will be visit one by one. So yeah, very happy, very nice, very impressive. So yeah, Luis Vlogging, we're going to end this our vlog. Sign off.